In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render animation in Blender. If you're new to Blender or just looking to refine your animation workflow, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and efficient rendering experience. Let's dive in. First, open Blender and navigate to the Animation tab. This is your go-to section for everything related to animation, and it provides a workspace tailored for animating. Once you're in the Animation tab, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be your base of operations throughout the rendering process. Next, look towards the right side corner of your screen and click on Render Properties. This section contains all the settings related to how Blender will process your render. Here, there's a range of options that directly impact the final look and quality of your animation, so take a look and examine your choices. The next step involves selecting your render engine. Under the Render Engine tab, you will see options like Eevee, Cycles, and Workbench. Each of these engines has different strengths. For example, Eevee is great for real-time rendering, which is fast and efficient, while Cycles provides more physically accurate lighting at the cost of longer render times. Choose the engine that best suits your project needs and computer capabilities. Once you've selected your engine, scroll down to explore the Settings section. Here, you can adjust settings such as resolution, sampling quality, and denoising options. Take your time to fine-tune these settings as they can significantly affect the render time and visual quality of your animation. Now, direct your attention just below the Render Properties to the Output Properties panel. Clicking here will allow you to determine where your finished animation will be saved and in what format. Make sure to select a file path that is easy to remember, and choose the video format and codec appropriate for your requirements. Common formats include AVI, MP4, or QuickTime, depending on where you plan to showcase or share your animation. Once you have double-checked all your settings, head back to the top menu and select Render. From the drop-down menu, choose Render Animation. This will commence the rendering process, transforming your 3D animation into a complete video. Finally, be patient as your computer works through the render. You can monitor the progress as each frame is built in real time. And there you have it. By the end of the process, your animation will be ready for playback or further editing. This step-by-step guide ensures you're not just getting a final product, but also gaining a deeper understanding of Blender's powerful rendering capabilities, equipping you to handle more complex projects in the future. Thank you for tuning in, and happy animating!